attachment is mutual. It is mutual. The tree is holding the soil is holding the tree, there is mutual attraction. And this is what life is. Do you know? We thought we want to attract somebody or something should be attracted towards me, I should be attracted, he should be attracted. We all should be attractive. To be attractive, what we did, we wanted to beautify ourselves. I should be attractive. Nobody knew what is real attraction. Nobody knew what is real beauty. Do you know, when I was young, my first radio talk, it was on beauty. It was on beauty. And it was a youth program to speak on beauty to young people. What is the real beauty which will attract others and you will be attracted? You will be attractive. It is not the beauty of the skin. It is not the beauty of face. It is not beauty of nose or eyes. It is the beauty of character. It is the beauty of your heart. It is the beauty of your own conduct, your own behavior. It is the beauty of your inner personality, not outer personality.